Hello students of class 9. I welcome you to the virtual class of factorization. You can see this is a question from 2020. 25a square minus 9b square plus 12bc minus 4c square. Now here 25a square we are writing it as a separate entity and we are clubbing 9b square, 12bc and 4c square. How? By taking minus 1 common. If we take minus 1 common here, the sign changes 9b square minus 12bc plus 4bc square. Now what happens after taking minus 1 common is we get this form. This form is similar to a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a over here? 3b. And what is b over here? 2c. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. You can compare. Now 25a square I am writing as 5a whole square. So this is 5a whole square minus 3b minus 2c whole square. So again this is of the form a square minus b square. So a is 5a and b is equal to 3b minus 2c. Now a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So it is 5a plus 3b minus 2c, a plus b, and 5a minus 3b plus 2c, a minus b. Minus of 3b is minus 3b, minus of minus 2c is plus 2c. Another question which has come in 2020 is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. That is, if from the first two terms if we take x square common, x minus 3 will be within brackets. But from the next two terms we have to ensure that from the first two terms within brackets x minus 3 is there. From the next two terms also x minus 3 will be within brackets. So in order to ensure that I have taken minus 1 common, remember from a minus b, if you take minus 1 common, it becomes b minus a. So x minus 3 you can take common from here, and within brackets will be x square minus 1. Now remember, in factorization you have to factorize into maximum possible factors. You have done factorization in class 7 and 8. Once again, this is a revision chapter kind of. So x square minus 1, I am breaking it up as x square minus 1 square, which is a square minus b square form. So x minus 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1, maximum possible factors. Now the formulae for factorization are same as the formulae for expansion which was given in expansion part 1, but we have to use those forms only. Like a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, this one, and a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, but we are using this one. Why? It's same as a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We are using this one and not this one. Why? Because in factorization we have to use those formulae which have this type of form. Factor form means something into something into something. Okay, so that is the factor form. So we have to choose the formula accordingly. Now I have given few solved examples. Okay, so you can go through them once, and for further clarification you can submit your queries in the comment section. Okay, thank you.